Pollution can take many forms: the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the ground that we grow our food in. All of these contribute to health problems and a lower quality of life. How many times have you thrown trash out your car window? Have you ever stopped to think about the damage that you're doing to the environment? People today have no respect for our environment. They seem to not care about where we live or the things that live in this world with us. But there are more ways that people pollute the earth other than just by throwing trash out the window. Little things such as washing your car pollutes the earth. Every vehicle in this world puts off metal particles such as lead, zinc, and copper. If you wash your car in your driveway, it pushes these metals into your yard or city drains and then into creeks and streams. Washing your car at the car wash will help solve the problem. Car washes are set to where that they treat the toxic metals so that they won't harm the environment. Almost 232 million different types of vehicles are driven by U.S. citizens every day, adding greenhouse gases into the air. U.S. vehicles emissions contribute to 45% of the global warming. The average adult consumes 3,000 gallons of polluted air every single day. Vehicle exhaust contributes to 60% of carbon monoxide emission in the U.S. and up to 95% in large cities every year. 335,000 Americans die of lung cancer, which is a direct result of air pollution. Over 2/3 of U.S. bays are severely degraded because of nitrogen and phosphorus pollution. Every year, almost 25% of beaches are closed at least once because of polluted water, leaving people with nothing to do for fun. Over 73 different kinds of pesticides have been found in groundwater that we eventually use to drink. I don't know about you, but I like the water I drink to be pure. 1.2 trillion gallons of sewage and stormwater and industrial waste are discharged into the U.S. every year. 40% of U.S. rivers are too polluted for marine life to live. This does major damage to the fish and animal population. Another problem is unwanted medicine. People usually just flush it down the toilet or throw it in the trash. Medications have been detected in many bays and rivers. This is from leaky landfills or flushed medications. So to help dispose of your unwanted medicine, take it to a household hazard waste facility or a pharmacy that has a proper disposal of medication. Now I'd like to show you some pictures of polluted areas. This first picture is from a foreign country, but this is a good thing that what our world will look like around the United States on the banks of our oceans and stuff if something's not done to change this. This next picture, if you can look, there's a small swan in there, and it's had to make a nest in trash and all different kinds of particles that shouldn't actually be there. This next picture is a group of dead fish, and this is from things that have been put in the water that did not mix well with wildlife and it has killed them. This next picture is just some trash that's been washed up beside an old house. And this picture is some smoke that pollutes the air from some big plant. So find out about your environment issues of pollution and figure out what you can do to make our environment a healthier place to live. Thank you for your time, and I'll be glad to answer anyone's questions that you may have.